Well, hello and welcome to a higher tier GCSE question and it's to do with numeracy and algebra. And it says, in 2 hours, three friends built a wall consisting of 1,000 bricks. Now, each of the three friends work at the same rate. Part A of the question says, uh, the following day, one more friend joins them. Now, how many bricks will the four friends require to build another wall of the same height in the same time? This time is 2 hours. Okay, so if we then do 3 times 2, which would be 6 man-hours, and that's the energy required to build a wall with 1,000 bricks. Okay, so for 4 men, the man-hours or the energy required will be 4 times 2, and they build a wall of the same height with X bricks. It then becomes a question of proportion here. So if we then say 1,000 divided by 6 is equal to x divided by 8. And when you cross multiply, we end up with x being 8,000 divided by 6. And that gives us an x value of 1,333.3. But it cannot have part of a brick. So the number of bricks required will be 1,334 bricks. Okay, now part B says, working at the same rate, how much longer will it take 4 friends to put up a wall of 1,500 bricks than it will take 5 friends? Give your answer in minutes. So we go back to the first part of this question of the exercise itself. Again, 3 times 2 or 6 man-hours required to build a wall with 1,000 bricks. Now this time around we got 1,500 bricks. So we did 4 times t sub 4, t sub 4 being the time it takes 4 men to build a wall with 1,500 bricks. Again, similarly as we did in part A, if we then do 1,000 divided by 6 is equal to 1,500 divided by 4 t sub 4, where t sub 4 is the time required. So we then gives us a t sub 4 value of 9,000 divided by 4,000, and that will give us 2.25 hours. So it takes 4 men 2.25 hours to build a wall with 1,500 bricks. Now similarly, for t sub 5, which is time required for 5 men to build a wall with 1,500 bricks, and the answer then becomes 9,000 divided by 5,000. I will have an answer of 2.2 hours. Now the difference is t sub 4 minus t sub 5 will give us 0.05 hours or 3 minutes. Now, when you do this sort of problem, you might be asked what are the inherent problems or the assumptions you made. Now, firstly, it assumes that there is no break. There's no break time. So you cannot work for 24 hours. You've got to be very careful when you do this sort of thing. It's unrealistic to say that you're going to work for 24 hours a day. Now, secondly, there are 2 more assumptions made here. The first is that the men are that well organized that they do not get in each other's way. That's another assumption made. Again, another assumption is that every brick picked up is used. You don't put it back because that will delay your time, or that will increase your time. And thirdly, you have to ask yourself, is it worth employing one more person in order to save 3 minutes? And for an 8-hour day, that's just 12 minutes. So is it worth paying someone a whole day's money in order to save 12 minutes? Now, I hope all that made some sense, and please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye now.